Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So all these hotels have these automatic door closers, and they're super easy to adjust in case your door is closing too fast or too slow or not even latching. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Now, a lot of these door closers will actually have a cover sitting over top of them. If you find a cover over top of them, there's usually a little Phillips head screw at the top. Just unscrew that, pop the cover off, then you'll expose this mechanism. The next thing you want to do is look at the sides of this, and you'll see a flathead screw on the side. You see the one here, this little flathead screw. You want to find the side that has two flathead screws, and in my case, it's going to be closer to the wall here. So I have two flathead screws on this side. The one on the top has a little S next to it, that stands for speed, and the one on the bottom has an L next to it, and that stands for latch. So speed and latch. Now, if you're like me and normally don't travel with a full set of tools, it's always helpful to have one of these multi-tools in your car. I keep this one from Cabela's in my truck, and it happens to have a flathead screwdriver on it. So I recommend you having one of these in your car at all times. Then you can do minor adjustments like this when you're on the road. Just having a simple multi-tool like this lets you make simple adjustments to these door closers and really avoid you having to wait around for hotel maintenance. The biggest warning that I'm going to give you with this right away is to make small adjustments. If you back this screw all the way out of this mechanism, you will release the oil in there, and you have a really good chance of just completely destroying this door closer, and you don't want to get charged in your hotel room for destroying the door closer. If you ever walk up to one of these things and you see oil just dripping out of it, a lot of times you'll see it on the door like this. That door closer is usually completely shot and needs to be fully replaced. It cannot be repaired. Okay, so the basics of this are that if you turn the screw to the left or loosen it, it's going to make the door go faster. If you turn it to the right or tighten these screws, it's going to make the door go slower. Your speed is going to be basically the first half of your door closing. So from all the way open to about halfway, maybe a little bit further than halfway, that's going to be your speed. And then from about halfway to a little bit closer to the latch than halfway, that's going to be your latch screw. The latch screw is super important because you don't want anybody getting their fingers slammed in this door, but you also want to make sure your hotel door is closing behind you every time you leave it. So every time you leave your room. So I'm going to tighten this latch screw a little bit and slow my latch down so nobody gets their fingers chopped off. What I like to do is make a small adjustment, open the door up, and watch it close on its own. If I notice that I've gone too far, then I can just come back and readjust again. I'm going to purposely slow this thing down a lot at the latch by tightening my latch screw. You can see how slow this door is closing now. Definitely don't have to worry about any little kids jamming or slamming their fingers in this door. But I am worried now that when I leave the hotel room, my door's not going to latch behind me and people are going to have access to my room. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to loosen that latch screw to speed that last half of my door closing back up to make sure my door fully latches when I leave. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.